These air fryer chicken leg quarters are a delicious and a healthy way to enjoy your chicken this season. They are so easy to make and it turned out amazingly delicious. Here is a simple recipe to make flavorful chicken leg quarters in your air fryer. So let's start by seasoning the chicken pieces with a blend of aromatic spices. For this recipe, I'll be using some paprika, dried parsley, ground mustard, onion powder, garlic powder, crushed bouillon stock cubes, chili flakes, and salt. Toast the seasonings to combine nicely just like this. Next, coat the chicken leg quarters with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or coconut oil. And just before you do this, make sure there are no traces of water on the surface of this chicken. Sprinkle generously the mixed seasoning all over the chicken pieces. Use your hands to massage the seasoning into every nook and cranny of the chicken legs until each piece is fully coated. Once you're done with this step, carefully place those seasoned pieces into the air fryer basket and make sure they are not overlapping each other. Go ahead and insert the basket into the air fryer and cook your chicken pieces for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Just before the 20 minutes elapse, let's take a look at what we have in here. These chicken pieces are looking moist and flavorful already. So we are gonna flip them over to the other side and cook for another 10 minutes until they are nice and golden on all sides. Once you're sure your chicken pieces are cooked through, you can take them out of the air fryer and rest them for a while. Now garnish these with some freshly chopped herbs and served with some crunchy vegetables on the side. Have a look at this. Can you see how juicy and tender these air fryer chicken leg quarters turn out to be? And they are equally delicious. I hope you make this recipe at home and have a taste of this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If this is your first time stopping by at Onyx Food Hill, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to keep you posted. Until next time, guys, I'd love to see you again. Bye for now. Bye.